How to add multiple sound on TikTok. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll be showing you the ways on how you can add multiple sound on TikTok. In order to add multiple sound on TikTok, first thing first, make sure that your device is connected to an internet service. And then to begin with, go ahead and open up your TikTok application. So once you're logged into your TikTok account, this is how the interface is going to look like. Right on this page, go ahead and tap the plus icon located right at the bottom. After that, you need to take a photo or the video that you wish to add multiple sound on. So go ahead and select the video. So once you're done taking a video, tap on the tick icon located in the bottom right hand side corner. After that, go ahead and tap on Editors Pro from the top right. Once you've done that, you'll be able to see Add Sound button. So click on it and select the particular music that you wish to add it and click the Use button. Once again, in order to add the sound, tap the plus icon. After that, you need to go and select the audio that you wish to add it and click the Next button. Once again, in order to add the sound, go ahead and tap the plus icon located right at the bottom. And you can just go ahead and replace the sound just by tapping on the button, and that is how you can add multiple sound on TikTok. So in this way, you can add multiple sound on TikTok. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.